Hello everyone, you're welcome to Edotafia Amipo YouTube channel, the best place for your news, entertainment and excitement. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, don't hesitate to subscribe to us, and while you are there, please click on the notification bell so that next time when we drop any video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much and God bless you.
The boy where I fuck today, he dey go London. Not in London. Ona mia we in London. Uhe normal lazy. You fuck toto, you lose your job. You not go even pay you because he water. Why when you dey remember the fuck, you get that power. Say ya mi winare. Imami winare uheni ya wuyo. Sister, iyan boy una laloe. Ube mwen. Like we now we don't born, you know our breast soft. You carry on like this, you put the two nipple for your mouth. You lick life come off of the breast. It is sweet. Why? Runde kia. You know, come fuck me, you say, I'll call you, you're saying, I did biz. Ulu lawyer de, ulede. When your meme will kia.
Do you know, if somebody know your address and report what you did yesterday, the police will arrest you. You don't harass people publicly. That was an harassment. You wasn't passing no message. You just come, you naked, do it like this, fuck it like this. No, you don't do people. Because the people where you they show make them fuck like this. They're not there to fuck you. They're there with children for us. People, mothers, they go walk. My sister, I bet, think this thing is very risky you are doing. A lot of single mothers, they get another boy for us when be their husband, when they try to work relationship together. They leave their children for them. The mothers don't go work. Before they come back, they can't wash you. They say, and you forget, say men, ordinary look, feel make man get up. Ordinary, feel make man. You don't they look for where you want to come. What you are doing is very dangerous. It's not something where it go be say like Tata that day. He said they call police for me. The police don't go. Yes, the reason why police don't have right to arrest her. She not naked. She not harass nobody. Person where they call police say he kidnap her. The person say no, he not kidnap me, na my lover. Police don't go. But if we know your address, we report to UK police that you are always harassing small children, everybody on social media. You always come naked, you naked yourself, you harass people. You will be arrested.
Hey, yo, my people, how on day? I hope everything is okay. Once again, welcome to Edotafia Amipo YouTube channel. Before we start at all, I want to wish everybody, I know say today, every video I go make, I go wish everybody Happy New Year. Everyone, no matter how you be, no matter how where you did, how far you did, how near you did, we just want to wish everybody Happy New Year. Even though so you not be my subscribers, you not be my followers, so I don't block you now. I already come here, come they watch show. I wanna be constructive criticism commenters, so wanna be good commenters. Now they follow me on all social media platforms. Wanna only just get my video because say they recommend them more. Like YouTube recommend them to now. When I just come for the first time, but when I come across my videos, anyone, we just want to wish everybody Happy New Year. You know what I mean? The year 2021, especially that year we just new, we just new come out from so that year 2020, right? Now no it's in that year be now. Although to say the fact, not be everybody that year just the bad or maybe not be everybody that year just the way be say not too day good to, but very few. If you use count the people we say like that year with one hand, you know what I mean? If you just count them with the fingers with the one hand, but majority of the people worldwide, though, you know, amongst all humanity, you know what I mean? I don't know just that year not just cut and well, you know what I mean? Yes, so right now, that will not be waiting we carry come today. Waiting we carry come today now. Na video we be say Monica Lobo or Monica 1 billion, you get me? Because this video don't tell you say come out, and I don't really want quick assessment because I don't really want to take my time to assess everything because I just see a lot of people just talk. Some they talk good this way, some they talk good the other way, some they talk somehow, some they talk the other. You know what I mean? So I just going to ask myself, say no, I go take time to deliberate on this thing. Like take deliberate on this video because I want to really watch Sham. I know it's not be everything I go bring, but I'll deliberate for everything where I watch because I watch everything, every second of it. So I do not be everything I go bring, but so I want to deliberate on everything. I mean, so what you just did, say I can't even say why people can't go against Monica. Why? After listening to what she said, you know what I mean? I can't say why. I mean, somebody just hate somebody. You know, hate person, or maybe you not too like somebody. Does that mean say the person talk the truth now, bend the truth, go? You come like saying na bad thing or na lie, be na? When somebody come out, she give the best advice. Where say any mother or any woman or any friend or any cousin or any sibling go ever give. She give unto this girl where we say the spoil image of women, or we want to destroy the little left, the little respect left amongst women. We say they me I just say abroad. No, me make I say Europe. I not just say the old diaspora because America, North America, South America, Asia, Australia, all those one Antarctica that way, all those one abroad too. You get me? So me I just say Europe. The little left respect we say Nigerian women get. You know, this woman want to destroy him, which is Ezekiel Ogbede. And then somebody come out, come talk, and they against them. I mean, and I said no. I'm not. When I saw this thing like I know, like 2 weeks ago, I said no. May I take time to deliberate because me I really know how far. And I know what I do. Tafia me born. I know how we do for this studio. Yeah, we know the bias at all. We know the bias at all. We already say the truth. You get me? So. Now I just did it. I mean, what if Monica want, she come out, she give her an advice. What if Monica want jealous for somebody where be say she force herself even born for man. The man tell her and say, no, which is your baby. She force herself born for her baby father. The man say, no, you be Aduro, which is your baby. He himself, the man, the baby father and see Aduro. The man come out as a plain, straight, responsible and truthful person. Tell her and say, no, you're not supposed to move way small. You're not supposed to move born like this. However, they born carry belly born for this man, forcefully born for this man. So this man not going to be available because that one at the actually what the man said. You get me? That one exactly what the man tell us he never ready. You get me? So this woman clan she come out and she they call her baby father sperm donor. Now know what that something mean? If you a daughter of someone of a woman, you can't grow up say your own mother they call your father, your biological father sperm donor. How you want feel? So then if you know how you want feel, then you know how her daughter is your the daughter go feel when she grows up. I'm not saying we talk good anything. We only talk reality. Although that one we don't even want to go there because that one are their own private something. That one are their own private something. Now we talk about how she did spoil the image of Edos or the image of Nigerians in general. You get me? So the woman come out, can't tell everybody the truth just because say I don't like this person. I'm not gonna say I like Monica. I don't like Monica. Like every presenter now the same to me. Now if I know a do Tafia, every presenter now the same to me, or now the same to us. We did here. You get me? So we know they bias. If you go wrong today, no matter how good you did yesterday, I'll tell you say you did wrong today. If you did wrong today, tomorrow you can't talk the nice thing or the truth. And no matter how wrong you are today, we say I did against your comment or maybe your presentation today, tomorrow I must talk the truth. Now me say me I not feel whatever they feel about you, whether they feel I not to feel nice about how you tell they present or something. But if you talk good for one day, I will tell the truth too. If I not tell the truth, that is I'm being hypocritical of my own self, of my own what I preach. And I know it, you get me? So this woman talk the truth. So even you like her, you don't like her, but she tell the truth. If I tell her, say, okay, you talk truth. You get me now? Now, this woman, she everybody don't know now, say na porn star. Say na porn star. Porn star, not be say because say she started when we say she come on social media. She's been porn star for a very long time. This will not be even the whatever she did in Italy, in Napoli, Italy. We say she use her own talk say she disguagua for she fiocodi for 5 euro, 10 euro. Person you pay most go pay 10 euro or the other one 5. No, we don't do other one. Now she's already been on website like porn website before she came to Facebook or whatever like the other rest of the social media platforms. I mean, she all those one not be waiting. We say we want present now. Now the one a long story. I mean, we want just talk about today right now. I'm tired. You want use person with day husband house for 2 decades. With 2 decades, now be 20 years. All her children don't grow. She get 3 children. She's still married as we speak right now. Take compare somebody where be say she want lead rest women or gullible women. being a single mother. She won't lead her to that single, that hood of being single mother. And they tell you right now, if you're a woman, say you be a young woman, you say you never born, you never marry. If you follow this woman, you go end up being a single mother. That one go be the highest achievement you say you go achieve. Not be saying anything. Now just strategy. Now look forward. Now you go look. It has nothing to do with say you go meet a prophet or you go meet a native doctor or you go meet a pastor. No, me look into official. No, you go see right in front of you the highest achievement you say you go achieve in life. You'll be single mother. If not 3 children, you'll be single mother of 3 by 3 different fathers. If you born 5 children, you'll be single mother of 5 children by 5 different fathers. If you follow our lead, if you follow our instruction, because I even see one time say she even they come out want give relationship as a relationship expert. Say she want give relationship advice. Oh my God! But why be say some people? I don't know. I'm talking about followers now. Why be say some people are so gullible? Like say gullible say you anything I told somebody tell you just believe. Why is it they born some people with no brain in their head? Anything I thought you tell them, you just go. If somebody come out on social media, you'll see millions of followers going to follow this person because they don't really think. Oh my God! Yeah, I just talk the truth right now. Anybody who knows say you don't like the truth, say you subscribe to me because I did tell you the truth. Say they unsubscribe yourself. If you don't say they follow me on any social media platform because say you hear say they tell you the gospel truth, but you don't want to hear the gospel truth, but you don't say that the gospel truth, then just unfollow yourself, unfollow me. Yeah, now don't just be the single. Now don't just be the simple truth. I tell everybody when we come on social media platform, say we don't come here because of fame, we don't come here because of notoriety, we don't come here because of money. We come here just because of the truth. Anybody, any presenter, who say you go out of line, we'll put on straight there. We'll tell and say, whoa, see where you go out of line. It no matter who you be. That's why anybody at all, presenter will come today with the carry a video. Presenter will be say, don't day here for 10 years. We present all their video because everybody are just equal to us. As long as it is, everybody, we just love everybody. We don't hate everybody. So we did very, very unbiased. In any wish you at all, maybe say I don't know, just can't talk so much or too much. Maybe we just go into this video right now. This time the video will say Monica take advice. This is the Eke Ogbede. You get me? Will be say a lot of people go against, or some people go against rather. Many people love her, but that few people will go against her. May they listen again to this video where we say Monica Lobolobo take advice is Eke Ogbede. Now hear me so my people, I thank you so much. I thank you so much. So make we go there and make we listen all over again, okay? May God continue to bless all of you now. Now, bye-bye.
Don't take our women back. Okay, if before you they wear clothes, you they do sport, you they show ekbuwe, which is not nice. Okay, at least you know common clothes. Any reasonable human being go no, say I don't need to show my curve of ekbuwe before I make a statement. But okay, if this is your line of it, it's not a problem. But gradually, like that, they like you. So you they make them laugh, you they funny, you talk about the Eke, they were liking it, it was so okay. Now adult class, who want wash. But before you know, you first of all turn into sand. You stay wear club, but you were making sand. This social media where they see so. Some single mothers not there and their children they wash them. That is why Facebook they always talk say if we see anything like that, more they report them so that Facebook go there okay for everybody to browse. And you now you fit to say, if pikin a small pikin, na me say na me dead there, but put them for private now, not put them for public. Because your mama no can say because you do your own making also waka for Facebook. Facebook or where. But the Facebook when I loué or safe no what is safe in me where more remedia maybe more where ya. But when I got none way, who are in and when they I'm your monoma who veganana jena. But on more team your man on naked. Picking fizzy person when naked, they social media they do sports. You know go say, Mama come and see. No, you know that it can happen. You are doing sport, you just want to be naked. But the moment picking here, who even wear clothes, if you say, everybody, all children know what is that. You understand? So please, my lady, for the sake of say, our women don't stop this bad character of making men, telling men say they are sex objects. Don't take them back. What did you teach yesterday? You naked. You can't even wear cloth where they wear for a shower joints for Italy. Do you know what that means to many women yesterday? And you say you are a teacher. You are supposed to teach these women out of be vulnerable for men. But you are teaching them again that the only thing they are good for is sex. But I will put it to you, I've been with a man and to God be the glory. 2 decades. But the truth of the matter, the way you tell the show how they relax with husband yesterday, I will tell you it's a lie. Husband they don't like all those type of rough sex. Husband, you know people will like rough sex. Husband we go carry a shower, anything we like. What did they do yesterday? Men they do our bonnet to a shower, not to their wife. I'm telling you. So, are you not preparing our women mind back again to the streets? The clothes you were putting on yesterday, he said no to Edo people. Do you know how many of them no jet book mon they we do any enjoy who would a bit worry my dear why and what teaching ya believe you were ya rewe ne ya like me no why nana me we who taking ya to some certain stage ya love you when ya build the confidence on you who are taking ya to a shower name what what okonoro godo ahia godo make sense ven we ya meya no de no okonoro godo ahia godo make sense o mani di no ya jukun no jo be dun o mani di no je e tight no suvun yo de yo when in na ni mi o kwa jitala wo suvun yakara it make me oga odono no la wo win egbe beri oni umu ya gboto be ke na o win aje awo do ya ni ga age no de no mamare ibi edo no iro. It was so disgusting. Where why nana me we be do wa me mi o be wa muladian do a show so queen no gbe we mi no cheap. Emi no mama. Okay, are we literate or naked the social media? Are we literate the social media we mi no magba? My sister, do you think about it? When no be go azebo I may do just school, I may. When we go azebo, we do away the worst. When we go azebo, we wa do away the worst in here. So I give me up by a zokba, we web everybody now. I give me up by where no na be decent. Okay. A business in who? A cabaret business. It's not a problem. But if you want to go naked like this, take it to private classes. It's very lucrative. Take it to private class. Where I go private class where? Oh no, where will be buying now? We are here lose a customer. Because a lot of people don't like this type of raw one outside. They don't like it. Number one, they don't want you to corrupt their wife. Hell, my sister, you know no married male. You see those things where married men they too tall now, we be single girl, single mother. They're not they doing for us so. You know say we always they talking. Married man don't want to do his wife like the way they do a shower. You know why married men go come to now where turn your back, bring your nash, bring your hoe. Anywhere where all day walk back we jump you are sign your way no there. Because when we are in or one yagan or my consign was you not to explain you are all in you like wow see or so why you any married woman where married where girls might go do your husband like he pull hole he can't wear a shower cloth he can't say to them I want to be a shower for you that man you don't give a psychological problem go do fin do how which day my wife start this one. Which kind of wife I marry so? I been at that thing where they do for road, now don't come back for a year again. She can't say this woman get just now. Why this woman white like this? Why this? That is what married men have in their head. Or what do you use married men think? Because you ain't going to okpe ahian lu ene oge o lu enya kan woman okpe ahian lu ene oge o we nya yo to o to asen yo no e din ato asen ya wo ginya bo wa e to asen ya wo ge bo wa beto ga ya mu wo yo to asen yo o we nya wa uye nya wa o we nya wa agbada o we wow very big no e daughter bo ga bo wa there yo to big eta kwe big exa better was so any I like it big. I like your big toto. Open it. Oh, let me see if I finger can enter. Hey, enter. I like it like this. This I like. Not lie. You for us. Oh my boy no boom. Eric Biabevayo. Okay, boy. But on your soil, oh, we gumeri, your gumezio, your gumezio, gonijo, a cucubani was zio, your gumeri, your home by, get double penetration. We are all where, hell, oh, Biana, I don't cash you, hell, it too like me, anything way like, now they do. Now because, oh, you na rubbish, rubbish, you went all your neck biani mare, nea. Ik biani mare, noe. You vunisa, you vunisa, where we see a shower, muvunisa, then no muvani. Oh, vunisa, oh, I like it to vunisa, I like it to vunisa. Oh, we more, oh, I like vunisa. Me, Tamamo, have whatever Larena vunisa. Oh, you like it hard? I do it hard, because I no man. And when we am with bueno, when we are tabe boe, amalu enyaga. My sister, Elin Watamia not the way, Eliano, Okone Nemo Nemu, Emio Ogeno. If one equemu yarada, in your mamiena. When Litana. You understand me? If one women will not get shame. When they do ha. Oh yeah, put on, pa. Now that they outside, they go get many person, many people, many men where they can't do them. But they not go see one where one stay. You know they know why. Hell, as I see the one where I say cover body, the man go. This one I really live on. I live on for the man. White down. Ina gele totanya megi lue megi siye megi gele we nene man. Hey, what's the normal na yeste because Ihuone huemu okbieste. Ihuone huemu okbieste. E ono ya woko no white ekita. Egwalo. You understand my lady? Emi ya no wa uno de. I wear a private class. Oh, when you do pay, pay. He ain't paying la way. In short, we are so way. And when you do a tabby bear, who want me so one naked did not there? He just naked yesterday. Oh, he have a boo a day. No, when naked did be by now. Emma. Lao. Give me over don't have me away. Maybe he but I be have a way in a better way. Or we should about you understand? Yoruba woman day when they do says this thing, go bring this thing, come and cassava. Sometimes go suck and sometimes he go use and when go they talk and he go really dress very sexy, but she never one day show her breast to no man. She never one day show her boy. Never show her nyash. He never wear that kind of way you wear. But she has been there. And since when she start, go look at her today. You will now one time you tell no say this woman don't grow. She too private. She come to public and talk about it. This health-wise. She talk about sex position. She talk it. Even married Yoruba people, they will be there. But she will never go naked. Do you know what is nakedness, my lady? Do you know the meaning of nakedness? Eba, the public. Do you know the meaning of nakedness in public? You see all these people, some presenter day now where the one already talk say, oh, Monica, they come for you. I don't have time. But this thing you did is a bad message to our people. That's why I am addressing it. You can go to private class. Not be people they do porno star. Like you, maybe you are a porno star. You never want to talk, reach there. You understand? Maybe you are a porno star. You never want to talk, reach there. But you can be a porno star. People are doing it. But do you know one thing? Me, you say no, say, you feel talk now, say, hey, Monica, go. You are not exposed. I'm exposed. No, I'm very, very exposed more than you. Because person way exposed can never go naked on public like that. Are you a nudist? There are people that are nudists by profession, by living. Is that who you are? Then if that is who you are not supposed to even wear bra. You are supposed to be pure naked, but you will not talk about sex. There are people who they always naked, but they don't talk about sex. Naked and talking about sex is just pure one thing. And using the old clothes where women don't fair use for Italy, and you are from Italy. It's a very bad message you are passing across. You are in UK, for goodness sake, UK. A lot of things where you fit do for UK. You can be a porno star inside that your house there. Make it classic. Social media, nothing can ever go classic or when degree. The moment you enter social media, you do what is not correct. People must talk to you, and before you know, you become zagazag. You understand? There is no way you will say, I'm on my own. You are doing nudity on Facebook that is a public player. You even put it on public. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. My lovely people, see one thing she did yesterday. That is not good. It's not good, my darling. Please. Your matter, my way, you know, na your thing, na your body. Na your body. But take it to private class. Don't do it on public because of why? Bini, where you they speak. Edo, where you come from. Because so many names on social media, they don't give them to us. Only say, again, this one, it don't make sense. Too cheap. What did you do yesterday? Yesterday, it's too cheap. Are you telling our women, copy me? This is how to get a man? No. Are you saying, have sex to your husband? This is how to have sex? No. I'm a married woman for 2 decades. I will tell you, no. No. That's not how to have sex with your husband. No. Okay. Are you telling the women when they hook up, say this is how they should portray themselves to a man? Do you know what you were doing yesterday? All these people when they do hook up. The moment any man say like them, they go say, hey, I like that one where that girl they do. That one, sister, you fit show me, because the way they do now, so I want first show me. First. That one go say, I know they show you, come, you go say, rest. You go to another one, show me. Before you know, they will go back to where they are coming from again. Because the pressure when you don't put on men, that's the way they do, you say you they laugh. Many crazy men, when they sit to they plenty for social media, eh? When you don't pressure the feeling for their hair, you don't sleep. If they want sleep, they start to they remember what you show. You start to they popo everywhere. Please, that kind of thing. Do you know, like this lady, Gambia man and woman, where they carry man, people can't go call police for her that day. You know why police not talk to her? You know what the police ask? Police ask the man, are you here by force or by your will? He said by my will. He force you, he say no. Our police no see say the woman they go naked, they open toto, they harass us. So what's the problem? Do you know if somebody know your address and report what you did yesterday, the police will arrest you. You don't harass people publicly. That was an harassment. You wasn't passing no message. You just come, you naked, do it like this, fuck it like this. No, you don't do people. Because the people where you they show make them fuck like this. They're not there to fuck you. They're there with children for us. People, mothers, they go work. My sister, I bet, think this thing is very risky you are doing. A lot of single mothers, they get another boy for us, when be their husband, when they try to work relationship together. They leave their children for them. The mothers don't go work. Before they come back, they can't wash you. They say, and you forget, say, men, ordinary look, feel make man get up. Ordinary, feel make man. You don't they look for where you want to come. What you are doing is very dangerous. It's not something where it go be say, like Tata that day. He said they call police for me, the police don't go. Yes. The reason why police don't have right to arrest her. She not naked. She not harass nobody. Person where they call police say he kidnap her. The person say no, he no kidnap me, na my lover. Police don't go. But if we know your address, we report to UK police that you are always harassing small children, everybody on social media. You always come naked. You naked yourself. You harass people. You will be arrested. Your Facebook will be terminated. Yes. Because you don't arrest people with your nudity. That's why until tomorrow, Bluefin na private. Now you the type on. Do you know one thing where Bluefin they do? If I open my web now, I type Bluefin. Okay? It come out. I wash on. Do you know if I go back again, I need to retype. You know they keep on. But if I type something like what is depression? If I go back tomorrow, that thing go still there. It go still there. I only need to click, it go open. But if I type adult movie, if I go back now, I need to retype it. Do you know why? It's private. So that person no come to say, I can't carry it phone. He can't get adult movie inside. No. The moment you watch adult movie, you come on for that site. It clean out of your telephone. Now so Oyibo put private series. If you ever go there, now your own head carry you go there. You see, so my sister la wo. Remember when we use a social media, go naked, but don't talk about sex when you are naked. Then you are not giving message. You can't be naked and you are telling people this is how to fuck. You don't have to naked to tell people how to fuck. You can be on your boba. You can be on your sport wear. You can be on your jeans. The moment you are talking about sex, they will come and wash. You don't have to go naked. Going naked and talking about it is harassment. You are harassing people's husband. You are harassing people's children. You are harassing some women. Not all women can stand to watch their fellow women go naked and begin to display that thing. Not all women can take it. And again, do you think Benin people never had enough of this type of thing on social media? I think so. Again, see what you do. I know all these little details. Some people on social media cannot take the details.
Hello guys, you're welcome back. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And while you are at that, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that next time when my video drops, you will be notified. And one more thing I'd like to say is that if there's anything that you guys would like me to change, like an addition or an increase to anything I'm doing with my video production, or like a reduction or decrease or take away from my video production, don't hesitate to leave your comment or your suggestion, your opinions on the comment section. And believe me, I read every comment and I'll know what changes to be made. Thank you all so much for watching once again. Bye.